Hey everybody, so who is not surprised to see another RDC in front of me? I received this in the mail yesterday. I was told it was not running, and it is the most colorful RDC I have in my collection now. This is an RDC-3. It is passengers in the front section, and this is U.S. Postal Service back here. So I didn't want to take you through the whole cleaning process. This was by far the grungiest, grimiest, dirtiest RDC I ever worked on. The wheels are shining now on both sides. I will post a quick picture of what they look like before and after. And these shafts here were almost black with corrosion, so I had to polish those up. Also on the inside here, that in the armature thing in there, that was really black, so I had to clean that up really good, pop these springs out, pull those little brushes out, clean those really good with alcohol, got all the grease and dirt off of that. And I put it all together, did a quick check on that everything's running on the table here with my transformer. But I'm going to pop this shell back on here, and we are going to take this baby out to the track and get a look at her in motion on the rails. Let's slip that in there. Go. Come on, you can do it. There, there, and there. All right. Let's get this baby out on the rails. Let's get this thing started. And there she goes. Oh my gosh. She looks beautiful.